Hello friends, welcome back. This is Parthiban and thanks for watching my video. In this video, we going to talk about what happened to my recommended stocks. Okay, if you are holding my recommended stocks, what will be your profit? Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the best stocks which I recommended in July. And if you are not watching my previous video, go and check my previous videos and the link in description. Okay, so I'm gonna pick three stocks. Okay, if you are holding any one of the stock, then definitely you will be in profit of minimum 60 to 1 lakh rupees in futures. Okay, so let me show you guys how you can make money. Okay, and the first stock name is Havels India. Okay, and so where I posted a video. Exactly, I posted video after this breakout, I hope. Okay, and look at this beauty. So as of now, okay, it has given 14% return. But think that if you are able to capture this 14 percentage return in 15 trading session, sorry, 10 trading session, okay, so what will be your profit? So I recommended for this stock in futures trade. So let me check what will happen here. 147 rupees price has been increased from the bottom to top today, as on today. So let me check. Consider that at least 140 rupees you are captured in futures. So let me go to Zerodha account. Okay. Havels India. Let me pick Havels India and it's the August future, right? So let me check the price first. So one lot is 500 shares. One lot 500 shares, and what will be the cost? 1 lakh 11,000 rupees. Okay, and let me calculate that one. So 500 shares into 140 rupees increase, that is 14 percentage, right? So let me check. You will be in profit of 70,000. Okay. So if you are holding my recommended stocks after I posted a video, definitely you will be in profit of 70,000 as of now. It's really amazing, right? And we will check another stocks. You will be surprised. The next stock name is Deepak Nitrate. Okay. So today the Deepak Nitrite stock moved around 7.28 percentage. Okay, and I posted a video over here. Okay, and let's check how the stock moved how the stock performed. So let's see how much percentage. It moved 12 percentage, 12.81. Just think like you are captured 12 percentage. Okay, that's enough. 12 percentage to 230 rupees. So let's see how much capital was required. 2.58 lakhs. Okay, and 2.5 lakhs, and the lot size is 500 shares. Now let's consider. So 500 into 240 rupees increased, right? So what's the amount? 1 lakh 20,000 rupees, guys. If you are holding a stock at least a month time, but in futures, yes, you may not be able to hold for month time. So what I'm requesting, at least if you hold and captured 6 to 7% in this stock, you will be in profit of 60,000 to 70,000. So now the profit will be 1 lakh 20,000 if you are holding a stock for a month. The stock name is Deepak Nitrate. And guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you will be notified whenever I post new video. And the capital is around 1.5 to 2.5 lakhs required for futures trade. Okay, and you can make a lot of money in futures also. And let me show you one or two stocks for the equity too. Okay, and what happened to those stocks also we will check in this video. Okay, so now we checked Deepak Nitrite and Havels India, and there 70,000 profit, here 1 lakh 20,000 profit. And then next stock name is Grasim. Okay, so I recommended this stock over here after this breakout. If you bought, let's check, 4.62 percentage, consider that 4 percentage and 60 points. Okay, 60 rupees increased. Let's check how much capital was required. Okay, 1 lakh 86,000 and share, how many shares? 475, right? And 60 into 475, 60 into 475, at least 28,000 profit within 2 days, right? Within 2 days you will be in profit of 28,000. This is amazing, guys. So this is how I really make money in the stock market. Okay, I'm not doing any magical work here. I'm just following the simple price action pattern, the only pattern, only the way I selecting the stocks and the way you are selecting the stocks, there will be a lot of difference. And I have used some techniques and might you might not aware that. Okay, don't worry if you have time, and next week onwards I'm gonna launch a new course for the beginners, and you can make a lot of money from my course. The course will be like, it's not like workshop, and it will be like a practical sessions. Okay, and I used to give 1 year community trading community access where you can learn a lot of things. The only way we can reduce our training time or our learning curve, we have to transfer our knowledge to the beginners, right? So myself, I will transfer a lot of information to you guys, and I will post my charts for your trade. Also, you can post your charts for recommendations. Okay, and that way we can reduce the learning curve of you, and the course language will be in Tamil time being, and most probably next month I will launch the course in English. Okay, so if you have time and check my website next week, the next week my website will be launched. Definitely I will post the video about my website on next week. Definitely that will help you a lot. So overall, if you hold these three stocks alone, you will be in profit of 1,20,000 plus 70,000 plus 30,000. So overall, you will be in profit of 2,28,000, guys. Sorry, 2,20,000, I hope. Yes. So you will be in profit of at least in 2 lakhs, right? So what else you needed? So no, I don't have enough capital to take those three stocks, but I have only capital to take only one future trade. Definitely you will be in profit of 50 to 1 lakhs. I can assure that the only way to, you have to follow the right mentors and you have to follow the right price action strategies. Okay, and let me show you some equity trades which I was recommended. Sunflag I recommended in last week video, and let's see how it moved. So as of now, it moved around 9 percentage, guys. If you invested 1 lakh rupees, you will be in profit of 9 percentage. Okay, and the next stock name is National Aluminium. Okay, National Aluminium, look at this, where I posted video. I posted video over here after this breakout. Just consider if you entered after my breakout and you're holding now, almost is 10 percentage, right? But what I was recommended, wait for the retrace. As we expected, there was a retrace, and if you taken a position over here, you will be in profit of 11 to 12 percentage. So this is how we are really making money, guys. And there is a lot of stocks I recommended. Uh, Look at this Canfin Home. It's in weekly time frame. Still, it's not moving, but it's still not. It's going down as well. Okay. And one more stock, Barak Milk. Look at this beauty. Okay. I recommended stock over here, somewhere here. Okay, and stock moved here and then come came down, and again it's moved, and let's see what will happen, but still within this price action pattern. Okay, and this is how we are working, and we are not losing much money. We are making money from the markets. Okay, and there is a lot of stocks too for your, you have to keep it in your radar. But once the time came, I will let you know. Last week I said I will give you the couple of stocks which has a lot of potential to move, but this week the stock has not performed well, which means that the risk is more high if you take that position. So that's what I'm not giving that recommendation right now. And that's all for the day. And Make sure you are watching my video regularly so that you will be know what I'm talking about, guys. Thank you so much for your patience and have a good day.